The problem statement in question 8 says, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. So this is a fact that you would already be familiar with, but in this problem we have to prove this fact rigorously. So let's draw an equilateral triangle. So this triangle ABC that you see is equilateral, and we will now prove that each angle of this triangle is 60 degree. And we are going to use the fact that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. So first, let's make use of the fact that AB is equal to AC. So because AB is equal to AC, this means that the angles opposite these sides are equal. So what are the angles opposite these sides? So the angle opposite AB is C, and the angle opposite AC is B. So from the equality of these sides, we can conclude that angle B is equal to angle C. And now let's use the fact that AB is also equal to BC because all three sides of the triangle are equal. So AB is also equal to BC. So if we make use of this fact, AB is equal to BC, then from this we can conclude that the angles opposite these sides are equal. So the angle opposite AB is C, and the angle opposite BC is A. So from this equality we can conclude that angle C is equal to angle A. So the two equalities we get are angle B equal to angle C and angle C equal to angle A. From these two equalities we can conclude that all three angles are equal. So from 1 and 2, what do we have? We have angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Now we also know that the sum of these angles must be equal to 180 degree because that's the angle sum property in a triangle. So if all three angles are equal and their sum is 180 degree, then we can therefore conclude that angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C, all three will be equal to 180 degrees by 3, and that is equal to 60 degrees. If you want to prove this fact more rigorously or algebraically, you can just take all three angles to be equal to x degrees. So x plus x degrees should be equal to 180 degrees, and that will give you x equal to 60. So let me just write it out for you. So if all three angles are taken to be x degrees, then x plus x is equal to 180, 3x is equal to 180, or x is equal to 60. So algebraically, you could do this and get to the same result, that all three angles of the equilateral triangle are equal to 60 degrees.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.